Hello, I'm Andrew Canon, Content Creation and Development Manager at the NWC, and this is NWC Connect, where we connect with you, our valued customers, to facilitate the flow of valuable information. In today's episode, we're focusing on dealing with waste and how improper practices negatively impact the NWC's sewer network. Now, here's an important piece of information. The sewer network was built to carry a certain load, meaning it has a sewage capacity, and improper practices may overwhelm that capacity and thereby cause flooding. There are some simple things that you can do to prevent clogging of the sewer network. Do not pour gravy or oil into the drains. You should instead wipe out the grease before washing items such as plates, dishes, and pots. Here's something else you should not do. Those wipes, cigarettes, condoms, or non-biodegradable items, do not flush them or allow them to go down the sewer. This too will cause blockage, and when there's blockage, roadways and communities could be flooded. Now, still on the issue of grease and oils, but this time, let's focus on restaurants. If you're a restaurant owner or manager, ensure that you have proper bar screens. Bar screens traps grease and oils, and they prevent them from flowing into the network. The NWC carries out inspection of restaurants from time to time to check if they have proper grease traps, so a word to the wise is sufficient. Here's another practice that should be avoided. Don't allow excess storm water that runs off roofs to be channeled in sewer networks. The network doesn't have the capacity to handle this excess water. In closing, residential customers, remember this advice: bag it and bin it. Those items that are non-biodegradable, like Pampers, put them in a bag and place them in a bin. This will protect the sewer system as well as your community from sewage problems. Thanks for joining us for NWC Connect. Remember, stay connected by visiting our website at NWCJamaica.com and follow us on social media at NWCJam. Take care.